This is Nathan Rice with Clearview Sewer Cams. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. We are located at 1223 Cabrillo Ave, Venice Beach, California, 90291. We're performing a video waistline and sewer line inspection through a 4-inch black ABS waistline drop here. You can see, and we're just accessing it underneath the home here. This is just underneath the back bathroom, just underneath the toilet here. So what we're going to do is we're going to place, or this is underneath the crawl space area. This is the right hand side of the property. This is the walkway on the right hand side. This is the backyard area. And what we're going to do is we're going to place our camera head at the top of the clean out, and we're just going to zero out here and begin to push out. We are transitioning into cast iron and then back into black ABS, and there is a short piece of section of black ABS, and then we immediately transition back into cast iron. So what we're going to do is we're just going to continue to push out, and we'll make a little bit of drop here. So we're going to pause our mic here. You can see we do have a T here. So we're going to pause our mic here for a moment and try to get past this T. And as we get past this T, you can see that we are holding water, and it is very difficult to see, but it appears that we have a lot of debris here, and it is holding water. So what we're going to do is we're just going to try to continue to push out as far as we can. We're going to pause our mic here. Okay, we did go ahead and switch to a smaller camera here. So we are using a micro mini. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the clean out here and see if we could get a little bit further. We were using our bigger camera, so we're just going to zero out here, and we're going to pause our mic and just try to push out a little bit further than we were. Okay, we did go ahead and we did make that drop there. So we're just going to continue to try to push out. Okay, we did go ahead and run some water here in the back bathroom sink. We did get a little bit further, but when we were pushing out, there are too many 45s, and what's happening is our camera keeps on binding up. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause here for a moment, and we're going to shut down our water, and we'll begin to pull back slowly. Okay, we did go ahead and shut down our water. You can see we are still holding some water here, and we are having a hard time pushing out. There are just too many T-fittings, and we're just binding up in each turn here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull back slowly and try to take a good look at what we're in right now. We are still in original cast iron. You can see we do have a drop there. There's another T here. So we're just going to continue to pull back, and that is what's holding us up, trying to get through and out. So we're just going to continue to pull back, and we do transition back into a piece of black ABS that they replaced underneath the home here, and we are going to transition back into cast iron, and we're going to pull up and out of our clean out here underneath the home, and that will conclude our video waistline and sewer line inspection.